Hello there guys, welcome back to a new video. You join me just pulling up to Buckmore Park because there is a little car meet on. Today is Wednesday, you'll probably see this video Thursday, but yeah, today is Wednesday and there's a little car meet on. It's the Kleers car meet, so I'm gonna get in, get parked up, and we'll take a look, see what's around, see who's about, whatever, and yeah, currently following the big audio pickup truck that you saw from the Tuna Fest video. Apparently this thing's for sale, and I've also got a nice sexy either Astra or Nova up my arse. I'm not too sure. What the hell is this person doing? You need to go straight, mate, I think. Yeah, Kleers show and shine area. Right, okay, I'm gonna pull in and yeah, we'll see what's about. So here I am, I'm here. Got sun strip on now as well, the eyelids. Car's filthy because I couldn't be asked to clean it. I had a little argument before coming out and it just put me in a bad mood, so I thought I'd come here and chill. Parked next to Will, of course, who should still be repping the channel. He better bloody be, I'm telling you. Yeah, he's still repping the channel, there you go. See? So, let's go and take a look around. As you can see, it's still pretty empty, but it's slowly filling up. So, yeah, let's go and take a look.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
I'm gonna pause the cinematics here. What the heck is this? What the hell? So, whatever the heck that is. That didn't sound too bad. Oh yeah, what is it? I'm lost.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Perfect.
10 so dark you cannot see who I'm riding with. Diamond glisten all up in my watch, can't tell what time it is. Diamond clusters all up in my watch, they got you blind as shit. I tied a beat up, then I fucking yeah, I'm on some violent shit. Woo! Don't wanna tell you again. Woo! I might tell the bitch to bring a friend. Drop the top and open up the roof, now that's a quick stop. Only real diamonds round my pink, you got on ring pops. Cartier around my fucking wrist, take off that wristwatch. The crew is something serious, don't mess with us, you hearing this. Thinking you gon' make it to the top, man, you delirious. I'm only spitting real shit, I'm only writing facts. And yeah, I swear I gotta take the weight up off my back. I got all of the shit that's on my chest, but I'm still killing it. I'm kinda tipsy, falling over, hold my cup, I'm spilling it. You spill out your whole heart, I don't have a man, it's black. And fuck all of this shit, if it's whack, I don't want that. I don't have any kids, but I swear I am your father. I'm cooking up the work and then I'm calling up your daughter. For the motherfucker starter staying quiet. Bench players always talking and they hating. I'm a fucking spawn of Satan. Listen, this what I'm regurgitating. Moon illuminating, I'm insane and got a pistol too. Name a person who listens, you, I'm handing out these lessons. I don't care if shit get physical. The way I use my tongue, I need a mop up in this bitch. The way you use your hands, you need new socks up in this bitch. I swear I got a love T-Town, I lock up in this bitch. I swear to God, I swear to God, I swear to God, I got it. Yeah, I'm back on my shit though. I hold a lot of people down like a limbo. Yeah, I fucked your girl, she a nympho. At least for this D, she take a knee like Kaepernick. I'm snapping pics, I'm popping off. My swagger drips, call it hot sauce. I got a lot of bitches on my dick, I knock them off. I'm getting pissed, please knock it off. I'm popping off now. The way I run my city, swear I got this whole town. I'm locked up in this bitch, this is not up for discussion. I don't talk, man, I just does it. And my vision getting fuzzy, cause if you just drank what I drank, if you saw what I see, my eyes always stay red, cause I don't fuck with all that Vazine. It's a crime scene when I step up in the function. My girl on my back, always swear I'm up to something. Well, maybe I am, I'm always lying. She always crying, I'm buying because I'm flying. Maybe I'm biased to getting money, this ain't even funny. You a joke though, I got her legs up and my hands are in her throat. Ho, she love it, I know she love it. Fuck easy does it, you can clearly see it's me, that's A&T who always does it. I'ma talk all of my shit, I'ma break all of you down. I'ma fly up and get lit, you can hate all of my...
And that, guys, is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, then please be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you are new, comment down below what your favourite car was or something like that. It didn't die out, but like no other cars were really turning up, so I thought I'd, you know, hang around a little bit, talk to a couple of other people, and then sort of just end the video there. So, you know, that's what I've done. Nothing else has really turned up. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Evo. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.